Aparani Kanada ikanyet itunga kwata kizda tuko kino temlo kangole anoda imore iponelo da itananga kokom ka Ainyakar Imudun eja pugan otomanaria munetekana esapta lodi karito mna kanyauni loda boy jirila ipucho tiro eketao nyesdo abum echama ititingare mudu ke
I want to urge the rest of the clans that have not yet joined to join so that we can embrace peace. During this time of the amnesty, presidential amnesty, I want to assure you that there is nobody, however much you have been wanted, there is nobody who accepts to surrender his weapon will be touched by any security force.
Out of actually 112 guns recovered in this district, about 40 were given willingly, people brought alone. So the level of acceptance in terms of peace, the level of reconciliation is very high in the district.
Itungalona pakam kesde bakasebe ekotoskese ijauna ipuchum tetere kwa nepedorete alostela jetom na boyson udo teso omame bobengu ngete chelo itorontere kesano akoko.
Farmers, I would like the life I live now because when I compare it with the one I used to live when I had a gun, actually it was not the same with this one that now experience, because when I had that gun would not allow me to stay home, to stay in the groups like now, the occasion like this one, because I was shy, because I was hearing my name being mentioned, that whenever I'll be seen, I'll be arrested.
The government last time promised to give us iron sheets and the goats, they brought the goats, yes, but the names of those ones who went to the iron sheets, they have not received. So we don't know what the government is planning about us. We know that the gun is sold at 4 million, that's what I can tell you, because my brother had it, but he returned it peacefully. So if the government is having another opportunity or another help, let it be for our brothers, because it is actually painful. Because a person can even sacrifice everything that he had, the goats and the cows, just for only a gun. That's the help I just want the government to help us.
Idengare no knyezda pola ilele no bakasebe ajokari doberem mame bakoko kada lemu seke dikor mam kesa jo autaruko kede ikokolak.
It is very evident that there has been peace because Napak district also blocks wrong elements from attacking Teso. I can confirm to you that Teso community, unless last year, where a number of raids were reported, but ever since we did strategic deployment of soldiers across the borders of Napak, these do not only serve Napak, they have also served Teso. The last 3 months, I have not followed any livestock outside the district. Just because of a lot of community engagement, like the one we have today here.
Talked to some few individuals, they still think because they bought those guns with money, they need their money to be returned. But we are going to continue engaging them so that they surrender the guns. We do not want to engage them here in public. We are going to engage them individually.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Napak.